Hey everybody, Philip Thurman here with Office PLM. Today's topic is configuration management in 5 easy steps. Configuration management and change management is very difficult for a lot of companies. And the reason why is because people are usually the ones doing the changes and the configuration management. It's not software. So you're asking people to make sometimes hundreds of changes in the part structure, the BOM structure, the CAD structure. And this is difficult for a lot of people and it leads to errors. So let's talk about how we do it. First, we create the ECO. Then we submit that to the auto ECO workflow. This is a workflow that comes with the system, or you can change it. Then you add the affected items, the parts, the drawings, the supporting documents. Then you check your task inbox for these work items. You approve these tasks, and then number six, the optional handoff to ERP can happen. So what happens in the workflow? What really happens? So revision B is created for the parts and documents, and that status is changed to WIP. Revision A is superseded, and those parts and documents are changed to superseded. Revision B replaces revision A where it's used, and that status ultimately is changed to released. The revisions are rolled up one level or all the way to the top, depending on your organization. Then the parts and documents are now configured and in sync. And finally, the optional handoff to ERP can happen. So, what happens in your organization? How long does it take? Does it take days, weeks, or months? If you like this content, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment if you want to talk about this more. Contact us for a demo, and we'd love to show you how it works.